Hi, I'm Ivonne, and I will be guiding you through these calming breathing exercises. Throughout this video, we are going to be doing some diaphragmatic breathing, so it is important that you wear loose clothing that will not restrict your breathing. If you're not familiar with diaphragmatic breathing, you can simply push your stomach out on the inhale and pull your stomach in on the exhale. Just be easy about it and do the best you can. Start by sitting in a chair with your feet flat on the floor and your hands placed comfortably on your knees or thighs. If you can't be seated for long, it is okay to lay down. Close your eyes and allow your body to settle. Feel your feet on the ground. Feel your buttocks on the seat. Your chin is gently down towards your chest and your spine is straight. If you can, try not to lean back on your chair. Now think of something that makes you feel happy. Your pet, the ocean, your favorite destination, whatever makes you smile. Hold that light smile. Take a gentle deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Take another gentle deep breath in through your nose and release it through your mouth. Again, take one more gentle deep breath in and let it out. Become aware of the act of breathing. Feel the sensations of the air going in through your nose and out through your mouth. Take another deep breath in and push your stomach out slightly, directing your breath to your stomach. This time, hold it and release. Take another deep breath in, push the stomach out slightly, direct the breath to the stomach, hold it, and exhale. Now put your hands on your belly. This time we will be directing the breath from the stomach to the chest. Take a breath in, hold it, and this time pull your stomach muscles in slightly so that the breath rises to the chest. Hold the breath in your chest for a moment. Release and let your stomach muscles become loose. Breathe in again. Hold it. Then pull the stomach in slightly and let the chest rise slightly. And release. Let your stomach relax. Let your chest relax. If you're feeling any pain or discomfort, imagine this next breath going to that part of your body where you feel the pain. Focus on the pain or discomfort for a moment. We are now going to breathe deeper. Take a long, slow inhale. Hold it. Pull the stomach muscles in so that the air travels to the chest. Release the breath and imagine the pain being released with the exhale. Soften your shoulders, Soften your face and soften your belly. Take another long, slow, deep breath. Hold it. Push the air up to the chest by pulling your stomach in and let go of the breath. Imagine the pain going into the air with the exhale. Release the pain, release the tension, relax your stomach muscles, and relax your chest. In the next few breaths, we will be holding the breath in the stomach only. Take a long, deep breath in. Hold it in your stomach and release. Take one last long, deep breath. Hold it in your stomach and let go. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Move your head from side to side. Shake your hands to the sides. And finally, open your eyes.